Amazing things about call center in the Philippines. Ano nga ba yung call center? Ito nga ba yung lugar kung saan maraming katatakutan, kababalaghan, hindi totoo yan. Charot lang. Natakot ka naman. Ito nga ba yung lugar kung saan maraming naka-headset at computer? Kung saan, sabi marami daw mahilig sa kape at ang almusal ay ginagawa sa gabi. Call center, also known as BPO or Business Process Outsourcing. It is still one of the industries in the Philippines that has a major contribution when it comes to job opportunities, career growth, and most especially to country's economy. That is why this industry is called as Sunshine Industry. Let me give you a brief history about call center here in the Philippines. As in, mabilis lang. When it was started. It was started last 1992 via email response and service management, and this is according to Contact Center Association of the Philippines. In the year 1995, when Special Economic Zone Act, an act that is expecting and seeking to attract foreign investments to generate employment, and it was founded and created by our former president, Fidel B. Ramos. In the year 1999, a first call center company founded by two gentlemen, namely Jim Frank and Derek Hawley. And syempre, hindi yan totoong itsura nila. Pero ang sigurado are, they're both former employees of multinational management company. In the year 2001, Mr. Palenque, or also known as Mr. Maro, has established CCAP, stands for Contact Center Association of the Philippines, when he was still a trade secretary. CCAP is under the Organization of Contact Center Industry, which aims to promote Philippines as a global leader in IT BPO industry. In the year 2005, naitala na ang Philippine BPO industry contributed 2.4% of the country's gross domestic product and gained 3% of the global BPO market. In the year 2006, ito yung taon kung saan tinawag nila ang taon na ito as Glorious Year. Because during that year, call center industry reached 45% annual growth at ito ang isa sa pinakamataas na achievement sa lahat ng business sector sa buong Pilipinas. In the year 2008, when Philippines surpassed India as the #1 BPO destination all over the world, at itinanghal tayong #1. If natatandaan nyo noon, tinawag tayong texting capital of the world. At noong year 2010, Philippines was also declared as BPO capital of the world. Based on the statistics, about 525,000 employees were employed, and call center industry generated $8.9 billion in revenue. And not only that, Philippines remain as an attractive location for foreign investors, and they would like to be part of the call center industry of the Philippines. In the year 2011, there were 400,000 out of 638 BPO employees who were working in call center industry alone. And it generated $11 billion in revenue and contributed 4.9% to the country's total gross domestic product.
Wow!
And in the year 2013, real money talk. There was $15.5 billion revenue increase in BPO industry and around 900,000 Filipinos working in this industry full-time. Imagine how large yung na-create na trabaho para sa ating mga Pilipino. 2016, this was the year the Philippines expected to have 1.3 million jobs and revenue was projected at around $27.4 billion. This industry, up until today, is still growing.
Ayan! So, napanood nyo na yung history ng call center industry. So, at least we're gonna be having an idea kung saan nagsimula yung call center industry, diba? So, the reason behind we've created this video at para malaman mo yung history ng call center, it's because of top 3 reasons. The first reason is, if you're really serious in this industry, syempre you really have to understand kung saan tayo nagsimula at kung saan nagsimula yung industry na gusto mong pasukan, diba? And of course, you really have to make sure na magiging ready ka rin sa interview kasi bakit? Yung pangalawa natin is, ang interview sa call center ay napaka-tricky. Minsan, akala mo na pag-practicean mo na yung mga tanong, okay ka na, you're ready, pero all of a sudden, out of the blue, nandun ka na sa interview mismo, minsan biglang may itatanong sa'yo na, alam mo ba yung call center? Alam mo ba kung saan nagsimula yung call center? So you better be prepared. And then number 3, syempre, we really want you to be proud. Kailangan maramdaman mo na, ay, nandito ka sa industry na to, nakaka-proud naman. As you can see the numbers, diba? So, we would like you to feel na hindi ka lang magiging masaya at magiging proud dahil malaki yung sweldo mo, maganda yung perks na nakukuha mo, natutulungan mo yung family mo, nakukuha mo yung gusto mo, nabibili mo yung gusto mo. Pero, of course, nagiging isa ka rin sa contributor sa ating ekonomiya. And at the same time, yung industry na to, malaki ang na-contribute sa economy ng Philippines. So, I really want you to feel na nakaka-proud mo trabaho sa industry na to. Okay? So, sa mga interesado, and at the same time, seeking assistance or naghahanap ng tulong kung paano makakapasok sa industry or sa call center industry, we would like to encourage you to follow other videos, mag-look forward kayo sa mga videos na meron kami, sa mga susunod na video na i-upload namin. And our aim is to help, to inspire, to motivate people na makapasok sa industry na to. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. So, once again, this is Rosie Lamangka, and thank you so much for subscribing and liking our YouTube channel, Knowsie Rosie. Till next time.